The process of filling fitness metal weights with plastic is done manually, with the plastic being pressed and the sharp edges trimmed. In the carabiner for industrial climbing, a new safety method has been developed that eliminates the need for twisting the latch. This boat uses the principle of duck feet for forward movement instead of oars. The trend of epoxy tables is fading, and tables with the addition of aluminum alloy are taking their place. One bucket like this can accommodate 2 passenger cars at once. The process of recycling plastic bottles into granules for further use in various industries. Automotive rubber mats are manufactured using a vacuum method. When loading any vessel, it is necessary to distribute the entire load evenly, otherwise it may overturn or run aground. Hydroabrasive metal cutting is a type of cutting where a water jet with abrasive is used as a cutting element, which is released under high pressure. The material is not deformed, as the processing is done on a micro level. A small printer can be assembled from several pieces from a constructor and 2 batteries. When immersing hot metal in water for cooling, there is a sensation that the water is burning. Mechanical machines for mass production of parts from metal wire are widely used in industrial production. The transfer of control over production processes to an industrial computer has allowed a computer-controlled machine to rotate bending consoles in 3-dimensional space in any specified sequence. A clever way to clean a ditch using a car tire. Thank you for watching until the end. In the new video, you will see something new and interesting, so you will like the next video even more. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.